Minecraft error 801, often displayed as code 8150D000, is a sign-in failure that primarily affects Xbox consoles but can also appear on other platforms like PlayStation or PC when using Xbox Live integration. This error prevents access to online multiplayer features, skins, and in-game purchases. It displays messages such as "You must sign in to Xbox Live to play online" or "Unable to connect to the servers." The error stems from an authentication issue between Minecraft and Xbox Live services. The full code 8015000 signifies a general Xbox Live sign-in problem related to sync or credential mismatches. Common causes include network instability, expired sessions, corrupted cache data, or account verification issues like two-factor authentication mismatches or region locks. Ultimately, it's a server-side authentication hiccup that blocks access to online modes, leaderboards, and realms, highlighting Minecraft's reliance on Microsoft's ecosystem for multiplayer functionality. Error 801 occurs when Minecraft's Xbox Live integration using OAuth 2.0 fails to refresh tokens, often due to ISP throttling, VPN conflicts, or server-side maintenance. While ongoing updates haven't completely eliminated Error 801, there are several troubleshooting steps you can take. First, check your network connection to ensure stability. Power cycling your Xbox console can often resolve the issue. Clearing the cache on your console can also help. Verify your Xbox Live account credentials and ensure that two-factor authentication is correctly set up. If using a VPN, try disabling it temporarily. For PC users, ensure that Minecraft has the necessary permissions to access Xbox Live. You can also try signing out and back into your Xbox Live account within Minecraft. Additionally, check the Xbox Live service status for any known outages. Community reports suggest that switching VPNs or adjusting network settings can sometimes bypass geo-restrictions. If none of these steps work, consult Mojang's official support site for more advanced troubleshooting guides. User reports indicate that cache clearing, account resets, and hardware resets are common workarounds. Remember that Error 801 is often a temporary issue related to server-side authentication, and solutions are often user-driven and quick.